Good morning, learners, and welcome to Science 5 for Quarter 3, Week 8. Let us have first set our standards. H. Have a positive thoughts in learning. E. Ears in me and let's explore, and you must encourage yourself to do activities. A. Asking is a sign of learning. R. Respect others and follow instructions. T. Time to share your learnings. Remember that I gave my heart to you, so please give your heart to me. For the first activity, we will do this arrange me. So I will give you cutouts, letter cutouts for you to arrange, and the word that you will form has something to do with our lesson for this morning. Okay, very good. So, our topic is about circuits. Let us first review our past lesson. Identify the following circuits. What circuit is in the past that shows the first picture? Okay, so we have the open circuit. Now, how about the second picture? Okay, that is closed circuit. Very good. So, what do you think is the difference between the two circuits? Open circuits does not allow electricity to flow, while closed circuit allows electricity to flow through it. What are the components of a circuit? First, we have wires. Next, we have battery. Then we have switch. And we have light bulb. I have here also a picture. Look at the picture. What season or occasion does the picture shows? Very good. It is holiday season or the Christmas season. What object were used to light the area? Okay, Christmas lights circuit. And this is an example of a Christmas light circuit. Let us observe the circuit. So this is the first circuit. What happened when one bulb removed from the circuit? Okay, so it will not allow electric current to pass through and another bulb will not light up. How about this circuit? What if we're going to remove one bulb from the circuit? Other bulbs are not affected. It still allows electric current to flow through another bulb. If this is an example of a series circuit. So the bulbs that connected one after the other in one chain. So there is only one path for the series circuit. In series circuit, electric current flows through a single path. So when one bulb is loosened or busted, all the other bulbs in this circuit will not light. The loosened or busted bulbs breaks or open the pathways, so electricity cannot flow through it. Let us have the parallel circuit. So bulbs are in different loops. In a parallel circuit, each bulb is a part of a different circuit. When one bulb is loosened, taken, or burnt out, the other bulbs still light up. This is because each bulb has its own pathway. Just like the Christmas light, If it was set as a series circuit, thus it will affect all the other bulbs, and if one bulb removed or busted. If was set as a parallel circuit, the other bulbs still light up even when bulb is busted. This time, let us have a group activity. So for group 1, connect the different components of circuits or the cutouts to form a series. For group 2, connect the different components of circuits. So I have here an improvised components of circuits, so cutouts, to form a parallel circuit. And for group 3, match the following column. And for group 4, draw a bulb eyes emoji inside the box above each picture if it is an example of a series circuit, and battery emoji if it is an example of a parallel circuit. Remember that in group activity, we set rules, and the rules stands for love. L for let us be mindful of what comes out our minds. Be kind. O, observe cleanliness in your respective working area. V, valid contributions from groupmates will be accepted. E, enjoy and have fun doing the activity. Remember to love your work. And we will use the rubrics for group activity. So the criteria are process skills, time management, cooperation and teamwork, neatness, and orderliness. So you will get 1 point if the members do not demonstrate targeted process skills, members do not finish on time with incomplete data, members do not know their task and have to be settled by their teacher, and messy workplace during and after the activity. You will get 3 points if members occasionally demonstrated targeted process skills, members finish on time with incomplete data, members have defined responsibilities most of the time, group conflicts are cooperatively managed most of the time, and clean and orderly workplace with occasional mess during and after the activity. And you will receive 5 points if the members always demonstrate targeted process skills. Members finish ahead of time with complete data, and members are on task and have defined responsibilities at all times. Group conflicts managed at all times, clean and orderly workplace at all times during and after the activity. Let us now have group presentation. Remember the following effects of changing the number of components in a circuit. First, the more bulb, the dimmer light. The more batteries, the brighter light, but bulb will be busted or burned if too much voltage. The lesser bulb, the brighter light. The lesser batteries, the dimmer light. For the setup of series circuit, what do you think will happen if we add another bulb or more? Okay, so in a series circuit, it will make the bulb dimmer and dimmer. How many number of bulbs in the circuit? We have 3 bulbs. Now we can see the effects of adding more numbers of components in circuits. It will lessen the electricity flowing through the bulb. In your mathematics subject, for example, if we're going to look on the amount of voltage being distributed in each bulb, so one battery is equals to 9 volts. So how much voltage are there in each bulb? We will divide 9 by 3. So the answer, 3 volts in each bulb. So for one battery, that is equivalent to 9 volts, and each bulb will receive 3 volts for each bulb. What series or what circuit is this? Okay, that is a series circuit. How about this one? What type of circuit is this? Parallel circuit. In your EPP class, you will be having an actual making of extension wire. That is in industrial arts. For example, you are going to install electricity at home. What do you think is the common circuit used at home and why? Okay, the answer is parallel circuit because bulb in a parallel circuit will still function regardless of the other bulbs connected in the circuit. How does electricity helps human being? Electricity does a lot of work for us. We use it many times each day in many ways. It lights our home, cooks our food, and washes the dishes. It really helps us at home and most especially in the kitchen. Not only at home but also at school and in other offices and other establishments. What are the effects of changing the number of components in a circuit? More batteries or voltage or the power source makes the bulb glow brightly, but too much batteries or voltage can make the bulb busted. And adding more bulbs or load can make the light dimmer, but lessening the bulb load or will make it brighter. Longer wire makes it hard for the current to flow. That is why the bulb glow dimmer. Why is it important to learn about circuits? Because learning circuits help us identify what would be the best circuits apply at home. Okay, for our evaluation or assessment, read each item carefully. Choose the letter of your answer. Number 1. Marianne noticed that a set of 10 bulbs in her Christmas tree lights did not light up when it was turned on. What could be a probable cause of this? A. Small wires are used. B. There are bulbs in the strand. C. Small bulbs are used. And D. There is one defective bulb in the set. Number 2. What will happen to the other bulbs in a series connection when one bulb is removed? The other bulbs will A. Light, B. Not light, C. Have dim light, or D. Have bright light. Number 3. What will happen to the other bulbs in a parallel connection when one bulb is removed? A. Few bulbs will light, B. A few bulbs will no longer light, or C. The other bulbs will still light, or D. The other bulbs will no longer light. Number 4. Which of the following measures can prevent fire caused by electricity? A. Have a regular inspection of electrical cords. B. Avoid walking under low dangling wires. C. Touch a switch with dry hands. And D. Do not leave sockets empty. Number 4. In a series connection, why do remaining bulbs not light up when one bulb is taken out from its holder? A. The other bulbs will not light up. B. The other bulbs were burnt out. C. The path of electric current was renewed. D. The path of electric current became incomplete. And for our assignment, bring the following materials for tomorrow's activity. So we have the switch, bulb, battery, wire, and battery holder. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned a lot from our lesson for this morning. Thank you.